శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. సూత మహర్షి disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis. Maharshi saying that, O Saunaka and other Rishis, Gomata is now having a conversation with Dharmadevata, saying that, O Dharmadevata, Paramatma has such a wonderful, great qualities and attributes. Paramatma has Satyam, truth is the abode of Paramatma. Suchitvam, purity is there. Paramatma cannot tolerate while others are crying. Paramatma has control over the angry. Paramatma is self-content. Paramatma has control over his mind. Paramatma has control over his sensory organs. Paramatma has responsibility. Paramatma is has an equal vision. Paramatma has the patience, endurance. Paramatma has Shraddha. Paramatma has Jnanam. Paramatma has Virakti. Paramatma has the leadership quality. Paramatma has Sauryam. Paramatma has effulgence. Paramatma has a quality that he will be able to attain everything. Paramatma has an ability of performing all activities. Paramatma has an independence. Paramatma has a great amount of efficiency. Paramatma has handsomeness. Paramatma has bravery. Paramatma has the great talent. Paramatma has humbleness. Paramatma has great character. Paramatma has manodhairyam. Paramatma has full knowledge, full wisdom. Paramatma has all kind of great comforts around him. Paramatma is always pleasant. Such great Kalyana Gunas Sri Krishna Bhagavan has always. O Dharmadevata, such Sri Krishna Paramatma is no more on this Dharitri, on this earth. He has withdrawn his avataram. Tenaham gunapatrena Srinivasena Sampratam. He is an abode of Sakshat Lakshmi Devi. Such great Sri Krishna Paramatma left me now. O Dharmadevata, that is why Sochami Rahitam Lokam Papmana Kalinekshitam. That is why I am crying. That is why I am grieving. The moment Sri Krishna Bhagavan left me, immediately Kali came and occupied me. O Dharmadevata, the moment Kali came and occupied me, I started worrying about myself. Atmanancha anusochami. I started worrying about me. Not only that, bhavantancha, I started worrying about you also. O Dharmadevata, not only myself and yourself, but also I am started worrying about Amarottamam, worrying about Devatas also, what is going to happen to Devatas. That is how Gomata is talking to Dharmadevata. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.